Hey guys, so today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions I get in my Instagram DM. How to sort for hot products, how to find winning products to sell, whether you're drop shipping or you're trying to build a branded e-commerce store and all of that. And there are basically 3 different ways to do it. The last one is the one that is what everybody's used to. But to get to the last one, you have to do number 1 and 2, or number 1 or number 2. Right? So let's get into it. So the first one is you leveraging your own passions. And what I mean by that is there are certain things that you do that nobody can do the same way you do it. So for example, now I'm talking to camera. There are certain ways that I'm talking to camera that some people just don't know how to do it. You know, they're not comfortable doing it or things like that. You know, I've seen some people that talk about electronics, you know, tech gadgets, phones, TVs, laptops. And I'm sure, you know, the best thing for that person to sell on e-commerce would be electronics, accessories. So it could be earbuds, it could be power banks, it could be phones, it could be game consoles, it could be anything really. So far you have a natural, you know, passion for talking about tech and explaining tech. You're able to build trust and then also sell to people, right? A lot of people do this already. A lot of people that have like some sort of maybe YouTube channel or TikTok or Instagram account that talks about tech. If you look at it, they have some form of products that they sell through affiliate links. That in itself is some form of e-commerce. A lot of people think that affiliate marketing is different, but it's still some form of e-commerce. E-commerce is basically buying and selling of goods and services online. That's pretty much it, right? Let me give another example here. Somebody that likes to talk about beauty, you know, you have a beauty blog, or you have again an Instagram page or something that you always talk about beauty tips, how to take care of your hair with natural products, how to take care of your skin with natural products, or what kind of products to buy, all of that. That person can set up a store and begin to sell these products on that store. The products that they're advertising and promoting and, you know, advocating for, they can begin to sell those products on their own store. They can also, again, set up an affiliate link or things like that and begin to make some money. So that way, the first way you want to look for hot winning products are products that leverage your own passions. And the reason why I say this is, you naturally can sell it, right? So that's number 1. You leveraging your passion. It's something that any one of us can do. You know, you like talking about food, you like talking about meal prep, you like talking about whatever it might be. You know, somebody that is good with musical instruments. You know how to play the piano, you know how to play the guitar, you know how to play the drums. You can start a store, an e-commerce store, selling musical instruments. And you can even, like, as an add-on, you can take it a step further and tell people that, you know what, once they buy your products, maybe every weekend, you take a 2-3 hour class and teach them how to use your products. And you can even sell that, again, as an add-on, that, tutorial class, you know, online tutorials on how to learn how to play the piano, like Mozart. The Mozart played the piano. You can get what I'm trying to say. Now, number 2 is you are going to identify profitable audiences to sell to. Now, when I say profitable audiences, what I'm basically saying is, look at your environment. What are the kind of people that are in your environment? What do they need? What do they want? Provide it, and you're in business. You're in business. I like referring to that Aki Apopo. Is that Popo or Aki? I don't know which one of them is it. I need to learn their names. But I like referring to that video where he says, this is business. This is serious business. Whether you like it or not, value is one of the best ways to make money. Once you exchange value or provide a certain level, provide value, you will make money. So take a look around your current environment. What do they need? What do they want? You know, if you're able to identify what they can't do without and provide that, you make more money. Example, right now, people don't have the time to go to the market to buy products, right? To buy foodstuffs, to buy anything really. You can start a food basket or a food is it a food box or a food basket? I think one of those ones. You can start a food basket or a food box service and begin to deliver to people within your estate, right? You know, and you don't even need to go. You can hire people that need a job, let them go to the market, buy the foodstuffs and bring them to your house. You separate them, and from your house you send them to everybody else in the estate or wherever it is they might be. Easy money. Some people don't think of these things, or some people don't want to go through the stress or the hassle of these things. But you, that you're looking for money, you don't mind going through the hassle. And I know if you do it in the way I'm talking about right now, you might not even really hassle too much. I think it's called a food basket or a fruit, something like that. One of those two. But that's basically how you want to look at your environment and see what's needed in terms of you finding a profitable audience. Another example, let's say you're a mother, right? I'm just assuming that somebody's a mother or even a father, actually, and you have access to a lot of young mothers at the moment. You can start a baby product store. You can start a toy business. You can start a baby fashion business. Once you're able to identify what people need in your environment, just provide it and make some money. So number 3, I said that it's you training your eye to, how did I put it? Training your eye to become better at finding products, hot winning products. This is a skill that is going to take you some time. But trust me, once you get this skill, once you understand this skill, you're in business. And there are 2 ways to do these things. You can begin to look for products locally, or you can look for products internationally. Now, if you're looking for products locally, just go to the markets in your local area. So you have Alaba markets in Lagos, you have I think it's Gariki market in Abuja, or Umukoro market in Port Harcourt. Whatever products you want to buy, if you're going into electronics, find the electronics market within your locality and go and see what they sell there, right? If you're going online, there's CJ dropshipping, there's AutoDS. I think I spoke about AutoDS on this channel. There is the almighty AliExpress, there's Gigi, there's Jumia. People think that there's Amazon, but with Amazon, it's most likely come from AliExpress. But you see, it's not as, people try to make it as big or bigger than what it is, but it's not, right? It's actually very, very simple, and we all have access to these things. So yeah, now once you decided whether you want to look for products locally or internationally, spend some time to look at which products that will sell quickly. You don't want products that are just going to sit in your basement or sit in your garage or sit in your bedroom and not move. That's wasted stock. That's dead stock. That's dead money. And that's why we don't want that. Basically, the whole point of hot winning products is to be able to find products that do well. Now, one thing you need to know, actually no, 2 things when it comes to winning products. It needs to have a healthy profit margin. Whatever you call a healthy profit margin, I'm going to leave that for you to decide. I'm not going to tell you what to do here. But whatever you call a healthy profit margin, a winning product has to have that. That's number 1. Number 2, it has to be a product that moves fast. Because if it moves fast, you are making more money. It's just common sense. You're making more money. Now, here's the trick. If you're able to find a product that needs to be replenished, again, you are in business. Serious business. You actually, in a way, you're going to use the 3 ways to find your winning products, right? It's just that a lot of people go to number 3 first and then start to think of number 1 and number 2. But the truth of the matter is, you actually start with number 1. So number 1, you leverage your passion because it's something you can naturally sell, right? Some people say unfair advantage. You leverage your passion. After you leverage your passion, you then find profitable audiences that need that product, right? Profitable audiences that are ready to buy from you. Profitable audiences that, are looking for something in particular. Now, when it comes to number 2, when you find this profitable audience, they might be able to tell you what product to go and find. When you now go and look at number 3, when you are training your eye, whether you're going to look for products locally or internationally, right? That's why I say, in a way, these 3 things, they come together to help you find a winning product. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's a video where I talk about how to set up your meta ads. Again, it's the meta ad structure. I honestly think that, again, I'm not even thinking. When I started my meta ad structure, it was very, very basic. I've made a few changes, and this is the one I'm currently using now to make my money. So yeah, you could go watch that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.